welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Jessie, and if this is the first time you're watching me, well, hello and welcome. It's been quite some times, I know, and it's already late at night. It's about 9:30 right now. We're still cooking dinners. We're quite late today, but I did not plan to do this video, but I was just like, why not? We're gonna eat Kuroiler today, and Kuroiler is one of my favorite because broiler seems to be too soft and local chicken is a little too hard. So Kuroiler is just in between, and I thought, why not just, it's been quite some time that I've filmed, so even the previous video that I put up before this was a video which I already took way back in March, and to come back, you guys anyway love when I used to do mukbang, so I thought, why not? And yes, I'm going to just take you guys along, and I hope you had fun watching this. I'm gonna eat a lot, I know, because I love Kuroiler. And yes, follow along and we'll eat together, okay? Of course, first the chicken. There's a big thigh, and then
and he knows that I love the wings, so he kept the whole wings for me. There, only 4 pieces, but that's enough. And I'm going to put 3 whole potato, a little bit of turmeric, obviously we don't want it plain white and bare, and then a little bit of salt, cherry tomatoes, onions, which is from this, that's it. I'm going to put a little bit of more dust to the soup. I'll add 2 cinnamon and brown chilies. This is so cute. It's a different type of chili, I don't know what they're called. And then this pink chili.
the chilies. Oh my goodness, yes. I like boil. The rest of them are going to eat it fried. I'll just show you. Ooh, this is the chicken curry that my father cooked, but I usually don't like it fried, so this is the boiled one which I'm gonna eat. Okay, this is the soup. Should I eat the rice first or chili? I mean, not chili. The chicken first. I think I should take a bite of the. No, this is so appetizing. Oh my goodness, let me jump. We already prayed, by the way. This is how I like it. This is the aloo. Belly 왕다. I'll just take a few bites and give it to my brother because he loves chicken skin, and there's a lot of chicken skin here, so I'm gonna give it to him. Ma, 무슨가? 엄마, 야, 뭐 떨래? I'll give this. I'll eat the wings. I'm gonna mix it here in the soup because these chilies are not hot. They're just, eat this part first with a little bit of chili paste. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Oh. Let's see. I like Kuroiler because it's in between soft and hard. Broiler is too soft and local chicken is too hard, so Kuroiler is right in between and I love it.
해. 보통은 25분.
What heck up there? You know what hung did that? Liver. Okay, this is the liver.
전에 해.
It has a lot of masala.
한국
But my dad gave me, so I'm gonna eat. Hey, nắm chặt hả? Không khoan mất gì. Now I know why Korean people eat their chicken with gloves. So messy. But it's okay. What their meat, I mean. Especially their seafood.
아빠가 수로
Never tell him menu.
아메리카 공항에 들어와.
Video के लिए लेने
아들 가는 사람들 그룹
나?
패밀리 그룹하고 들어오고. 나. This is from our garden, not from the market. 아베.
Abe. It's called abe in our language. Abe chale. My mom is asking for the bones. There is some meat still attached, so I'm gonna give it to my mom. I transfer to my mom. This is the chest, which has a lot of meat, but I'm going to just take a little bit of it because I'm not a fan of too much meat. So I'm going to just take the little chunk here and yeah. Giant ka dun.
마.
Ooh, okay. I'll give you a big bite. A little bit of chili. No, there are peas. How am I?
다리.
8 king chili. And
Kal ka na. The meat. I don't want the meat. I'm a fan of wings. One day I would surely like to try Korean fried chicken. From all the food reviews, especially when it comes to chicken, I feel like KFC is overrated. And I would surely like to try Korean fried chicken someday. I feel like it's like totally different level. And Kentucky fried chicken is nothing compared to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'll mix the soup with the king chili and ngari paste. I'm just gonna drip it all over this. And clean. And there is no there is no watting this one. There is no watting. The brown thing inside the marrow, it's not there. So you are man. Oh, okay. It's there. This, but yeah, nothing much. It's very hard. I'm gonna eat this tomorrow. And I'll take a little second share of rice and I'll eat with the soup, and that will be all. Second share of rice. The meat is a little more mature than compared to broiler, so it's quite tasty, and I'm eating a lot of meat today compared to other days. I usually like the bones. Kuroiler. Wait, oh. So the meat here, and then I'll show you the chicken paste, the chili paste. Dump it in the soup. Kulahing din. Haluan na ayo. Chili. 뭘 짜야 되는데 안 하려고 하는데 챙기려고.
대체로에
All the meat. 아이고,
싸놓은 나와.
응. I'm done, guys. Huh. All right. That's it, guys. It's so tasty. It's so good. You can see my double chin. These days I'm gaining a lot of weight, but I had my heart out and I had a lot of meat today, surprisingly. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. What did I say? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me say that again. Alright, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you had fun watching that, and I'll be back with another video. Until then, bye.